after this day.
I guess this is the end of the 6th stakeholder day of EIT Raw Materials Baltic Sea Hub. It's only the beginning, of course, our work together with our partners and other stakeholders. I'm tempted to draw a few conclusions, which is always dangerous in seminars and events like this, where there are a number of different angles to issues. But a couple of take-home messages maybe that I wrote down for myself. So the first one was, indeed, in these times that we live in, there seems to be an inertia, if you will, in the R&D activities that we make. So there's still a momentum in the activities that we make, in the innovation between industry, between research organizations and universities. However, when the reality kicks in, when that momentum takes out, then we need to see that we actually have the real means to get over the pandemic and the crisis that lies ahead. And this can be only done, in my view, with sufficient inputs and support to the R&D infrastructure and projects that are run in Europe. The second point, of course, touches a little bit about prioritization. So what should we focus on here in Europe? And listening to the presentations today, it's quite clear that we need to prioritize. We need to see what are the most crucial, most critical, most valuable supply value chains, material flows to Europe, from Europe and within Europe. And with that kind of prioritization, we can then start looking where to put the investment into the value chains, into innovation, and get really the jobs and growth that we are expecting from our joint activities. So that, in a nutshell, also describes really the aims of the European Raw Materials Alliance, the ERMA, to get innovation and investment moving in Europe in the raw materials field. I would like to thank all the presenters today, both online and here in person. Well done, in spite of the technology not always being on our side, but I think we did and you did a good job. I would very much like to thank the audience online. Please stay with us in the future as well. The next step, and the next time you will hear from us, is on the 29th of September, when the Raw Materials Summit takes place. It ends on the 30th of September. Also on the 29th of September, please remember the launch event of the European Raw Materials Alliance. Please sign up there as well, so you get the latest info on where this part of the innovation ecosystem is developing in Europe. So with that, the Baltic Sea Innovation Hub from Espoo, over and out. Have a great day. Goodbye.